Thank you. And now to our top story this morning. Hoosiers are sharing their thoughts about a rise in police shootings involving officers and the safety concerns surrounding their communities. This comes as the Department of Justice audit those investigations from last year in 2023.
Yeah, the U.S. Attorney's Office hosting a town hall event last night and included the DOJ and IMPD. Our Chase Howell brings us the roundtable discussion around civil rights protection and the use of force and analysis.
18 officer-involved shootings.
Put the gun down! Get in the car!
And now, 6 months into 2024, the people of Indianapolis got to address the DOJ, the U.S. Attorney, and Metro Police Chief Chris Bailey. One person took to the floor to discuss the number of black and brown men killed in these shootings.
I am concerned as a man of African descent that the numbers are saying that I'm a target.
Others voice what they believe may be a way to decrease the number of police shootings.
Our police officers are being shot at probably more than they have for many years. So I think that we need to consider that the law changed, and that law needs to be put back in place where we don't have so many people who aren't supposed to have guns.
But no matter what people showed up for, they were able to get a little insight on how different law enforcement agencies look into these police shootings in determining if an officer's use of force goes too far.
When a law enforcement or anyone who's acting under government power allegedly deprives people of their constitutional rights, through, for example, the use of excessive force, that's something that's potentially a federal crime, and we have to prove sort of the level of knowledge and the intent to break the law and those sorts of things.
Special Agent Herb Stapleton says the FBI gets complaints from members of the public and from people in uniform, but the Bureau can only handle crimes that violate federal law.
The FBI does not have the authority to investigate whether or not someone violated their department's regulations or policies. That's not within our authority.
IMPD Chief Chris Bailey also gave some insight as to when we could see the external review completed.
By the end of the year is what I'm told, but if they run into any kind of roadblocks on their end or the DOJ takes time to review the report, that could delay it. But by the end of the year is what we hope to have it done.
Reporting in Indianapolis, Chase Howell, 13 News.